Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable to use your default browser to open links on Mastodon. For example, you click on a link and you don't want it to pop up, whether you want to open it with Safari or to Google Chrome or to other apps that you may have installed on your phone. You want to set it to a default browser to open those links directly when you click on them. This is how you do it. First, you're going to start off by going to your settings. That's in the top right corner, the icon. So we're going to select it. It takes us to our settings. Now, when you see the first option is for black or dark mode, the second option is disable, and the fourth option we have is use default browser to open links. So we're gonna go along and tap on that, and now it's activated or turned on. So we're gonna click on done to lock in the changes, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!